सीईओ और ईडी साहब को। ध्यान रखिए, आईपीओ 1 सितंबर को खुल रहा है, 3 सितंबर तक खुला रहेगा। 522 से 531 का प्राइस बैंड, पूरा ऑफर फॉर सेल है प्रमोटर्स और कुछ करंट इन्वेस्टर्स के द्वारा। तो कुल मिलाकर 1890 करोड़ रुपए मोबिलाइज होंगे। और ये एक डायग्नोस्टिक चेन ऑपरेटर हैं, 80 डायग्नोस्टिक सेंटर्स हैं आंध्र प्रदेश, तेलंगाना, एनसीआर और कोलकाता में। और मैं पढ़ रहा था ज्यादातर लार्जली रेवेन्यूज कंसंट्रेटेड है हैदराबाद में। तो मैं सुनील चंद्र रेड्डी साहब से पहले जा रहा हूं, ईडी साहब जो हैं। सुनील सर, ये बताइए, ये बिजनेस के बारे में, ये डायग्नोस्टिक सेंटर्स की रीच, और अगर कंसंट्रेशन एक स्पेसिफिक ज्योग्राफी में है तो आगे अगले एक्सपेंशन प्लान्स अगले 12 महीने के कैसे डी-रिस्क करेंगे इस बिजनेस मॉडल को?
So basically, I think our model itself, right from inception, our founder had this vision of starting an integrated model where you have all services under one roof for the convenience of the patient. So we were actually the first to introduce this model, and we have built this B2C brand recall, where 93% of our business comes from patients who walk into our centers. So over the last 4 decades, we've built a very strong and dominant presence in the markets where we are present. And that's actually resulted in us having, I would say, the industry-leading margins. If you look at our current margins, our EBITDA margins are upwards of 40%. Our PAT margins are upwards of 20%. And in fact, cash PAT of over 30%, which has resulted in the strong balance sheet and us being debt-free. So I think that is the fundamental strength of our model. It's a very sustainable model. We do not see any challenges to continuing these margins for Vijaya going forward.
क्योंकि आप लोग एक बहुत कॉम्पिटिटिव स्पेस में, कॉम्पिटिटिव बिजनेस है, क्या प्लान है स्केल अप करने के, प्लस उस स्केल अप के साथ मार्जिन्स कैसे मेंटेन होंगे?
Sure, Yatin. So Vijaya Diagnostic is the largest integrated player offering both radiology and pathology services, all under one roof at affordable prices. It was started by our founder, Dr. Surendranath Reddy, who's a radiologist by profession. And we started with one center in 1981 and have grown steadily, thoughtfully over the years. And today we have an operational network of 81 centers and 11 reference labs spread across 13 cities and towns of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, National Capital Region, and Kolkata. We have more than 2,200 technical and operational staff. We service more than 10,000 customers a day and perform close to 80 lakh tests a year. And since we are an integrated player and able to offer everything comprehensively to our customer, all his diagnostic needs are taken care of.
Okay, सुनील, आपका बहुत लार्ज प्रेजेंस है दक्षिण भारत में, साउथ इंडिया में। एक्सपेंशन प्लान्स नॉर्थ और वेस्ट इंडियन मार्केट जो कहा जाता है वो भी बड़े लुक्रेटिव हैं, बहुत प्रॉफिटेबल हैं। इन पॉकेट्स में एक्सपेंशन को लेकर क्या प्लान्स हैं स्पेसिफिकली?
So we are currently a very strong market leader. We are the dominant market leader in the states of Andhra, Telangana, which we consider our home markets. And in fact, if you look at the out-of-hospital diagnostic market in these states of about 5,100 crores, this itself is growing at about 12 to 13%, and our market share is about 7%. So we see that as a huge opportunity to continue to grow in these markets. However, we are also focusing on growing in regions other than our home markets. So we will be looking at some of the adjacent neighboring states, some of the locations in these neighboring states, as well as East India, where we have opened a center in Kolkata already, and the center is now doing well. So we see that as a region where we will expand. But no pan-India aspirations as of now. I think the focus is more on meaningful growth, while making sure that we don't dilute this customer experience that we have been able to deliver, and also maintaining the kind of profitability, the numbers that we have, built over the last 4 decades.
ओके, चलिए, सुप्रीता और सुनील जी, आप दोनों को बेस्ट विशेस आईपीओ ऑफरिंग को लेकर। सीधी सी बात पे कंटिन्यूस कवरेज जब आईपीओ खुलेगा तब होगा, और आप लोगों से फिर से कोशिश करेंगे तब डिटेल में इस बिजनेस को समझने की।